Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to appear offline on Reddit. To appear offline on Reddit, first of all, go ahead and open up your Reddit application and log into your account. From the homepage, tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner, and then you will see your user ID underneath your profile avatar. Simply tap on the online status in green so that you can turn your online status off. This will stop showing your online status to your Reddit chat contacts and no one will be able to see you online. So that's how you can easily stay offline or turn off your online status on Reddit application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.